Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a title page on Google Docs. Creating a title page can really enhance the look and feel of your document, particularly if you're working on formal reports, academic papers, or business documents. It sets a professional tone for what's to come, offering a polished first impression to anyone who reads it. A well-crafted title page organizes essential details, like the document's title, the author's name, the date, and more pertinent information. So, let's dive right in and create that title page. The first step is to log into Google Docs. If you've never used Google Docs before, don't worry. Simply click on the Sign Up option and follow the on-screen instructions. It's quite straightforward, and once you're set up, you're ready to go. Now let's open a blank document. This is where your creativity begins. A good starting point is to give your document a meaningful name, something that reflects the content inside. For visual appeal, you might want to insert an image as well. It could be a logo or any graphic that enhances the look of your title page. Remember to adjust the size to fit your layout nicely. Next, we will insert a table to help organize our title page elements. Click on Insert in the menu, then choose Table. For this example, let's select a 1x2 table. This will give us 2 cells to work with. In the first cell, you can put the document's title. To make it stand out, highlight the text, click on the ellipsis in the toolbar, and choose Center Align. Don't forget to customize the text by making it bold, adding some color, or even highlighting it with a background shade like yellow if you prefer. Now, let's move on to formatting the table. Click on Format and then Table. Select Table Properties to adjust the cell settings. Here, you can center the content vertically by choosing the middle option for the cell alignment. This helps to ensure that everything looks neat and well organized. To adjust the width of your columns, simply click and drag the edges to your desired size. You might need to make some fine adjustments to get everything perfectly centered, but take your time to make it just right. If you decide the image needs resizing for balance, feel free to make those changes as well. Finally, if you want to remove the table's border for a cleaner look, go back to Format, choose Table, and navigate to Table Properties again. Here, you can set the border color to white or reduce its thickness to 0, effectively making it invisible. By crafting a title page in this way, you provide a personal touch that can connect with your readers, making the document more engaging and professional. In contexts like academic papers or legal documents, a well-formatted title page not only looks good, but also meets specific formatting guidelines, ensuring compliance and avoiding any penalties for non-compliance. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to make a title page on Google Docs. If you want more videos like how to make a title page on Google Docs, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.